Seriously, if you've been searching for something that actually stands out in the tech world, this is the one you don't want to miss. Go ahead and click the link in the description. Trust me, you'll come back later just to say thanks. Now, let me break down why this device is causing such a huge buzz everywhere. We're talking about smooth performance that doesn't lag, a clean and solid build, and a user experience that feels instantly familiar, even if you're not tech-savvy. And that alone would already make it worth checking out. But here's where it gets